Hey, thanks for joining me this week. I hope that you will enjoy these videos that I'm making for fellow app scrappers. This week I am sharing two different videos. This first one is going to show you how to make a basic journaling card with Over using some PNG files. And to get started, the first thing that I want to do is click the plus sign and then go down to the canvas and choose a 3x4 canvas. And then to change, what I want to do is change the color, or what I want to do is add a shape. So click on the little purple paintbrush and choose the basic shapes. And I want to choose the large filled in square. And then adjust the size all the way up and use your fingers to pinch out to up and down to cover the entire grid. And once you've covered the entire grid, then you're okay. Then you want to go and you want to change the color. So we're going to scroll over to color, and then for this card I want a really bright yellow, so I'm going to go up into the yellows and find a nice yellow I want. And it's kind of obvious, but the farther left that you go, the more intense the color will be, and the farther right that you go, the less intense the color will be. So I want a really bright yellow, so I'm going to go farther to the left. So I'm pretty much done. So I'm going to click done with this part. Now I want to add a PNG. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the little blue screen, and my PNGs automatically pop up. But if they don't, you can scroll through the bottom and then you can bring your PNGs up. Now, the one thing that I really like about Over is that it automatically will find all the PNG files that I have stored on my camera roll, and it'll pull them into this this grouping right here. So I don't have to do anything other than add them to my camera roll. I don't have to create an album. I don't have to create a folder. I just go into Dropbox, which is where I keep all my PNGs for creating, and I'll pull the ones I want to use and I'll save them to my camera roll. So Over does the work of finding the PNG files for me. And I want to use the documenting summer documenting summer awesomeness. And so I'm going to adjust it and get it centered to where I want it. And this is where the difference comes in between coloring a font or a shape and coloring a PNG. Because you'll notice there's no color, icon at the bottom, but you can change it. You want to scroll over to where it says tint. And this is how you'll change the color of a PNG. So one of the things that you have to do is change the opacity. For some reason it defaults to 75, so you want to adjust it up to 100. So you'll move the slider up to 100, and then you can change the color. And I want this to be white. Now you can change the opacity to a lower setting if you want to, but if you want the most vivid color of your color choice, you want to change the opacity to 100. Now this is basically it. I'm pretty much done with this journaling card. It's very simple. I just created a basic colored background, and I opened up a PNG file. I changed the color. So I'm pretty much done with this particular card. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to take an existing journaling card and add a few things to it to kind of make it your own. And it's another way to use a lot of the journaling cards that we have. So hope to see you in the next video. So you can go ahead and save this to your camera roll if you want to print it out, or if you want to use it in the Project Life app. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.